Hello, this is Red 505 bringing you another cool toy. What we got here today, this is the Barrage Gen2 RC electric rock crawler. Barrage, this is their generation 2 of this cool vehicle. This is a 1/12 scale electric rock crawler from Horizon Hobby. This is under their own brand name called ECX. And let's start. It's a very cool vehicle. Let's remove my lazy Susan, so we're not gonna drop it. And let's see what we got here. First, to start, very soft tires. Look at this. You just squeeze the hell out of it and it just pop back up. It's very soft. When you touch them, you can see it, they're gonna be very grabby for the rocks. When you look underneath, first thing first, the motor on this thing is tiny. It's a 380 motor. It's a brush. It's not brushless. It's have all aluminum linkage. It's a four-wheel drive with lock. We have like over here the lock differentials. Very cool system. Very nice metal arms on the front for the steering. It's kind of combination of plastic and metal, so it's really cool. Very cool system over here for the servo. I think that you can actually take this system and copy it to the back to make it four-wheel steer. And then you can see here the shocks that they have on the back. They're kind of very basic, but they're doing the job. And you have here where you're going to be able to mount your rear servo if you're going to want to do it actually a four-wheel steering. When you look at this vehicle, you're going to see that you have like anodized metal frame over here. It's pretty cool. It's make it more realistic. Let's remove the body real quick. This body is really cool. Almost look like a Jeep. I would say that like if it was a little bit different, it would look like the Jeep Gladiator, but it's not. It's no brand or anything. It's just a regular Lexan body. And this is what we got underneath. So to start, we got the Dynamite. Let's bring it closer. The Dynamite 380 brushless motor. This is actually, it's a 390 or 380. Let's see. No, it's a 390. It's a little bit bigger. I'm sorry. So it's not 380. It's a 390. It's a 25 turn motor with the ESC. The CSC can take also LiPo. You have here the jumper to change it from regular nickel metal hydride to different LiPo system. You have here the ECX receiver. We're going to go over it in a second. This vehicle is not coming with a good Spectrum remote. It's coming with ECX. It's also good. It's only 2-channel, but it will do the job. They put the battery here on the front, so it's making it front heavy. And if you look over here, you can see there is lights. If I plug the battery right now and plug the battery, it's very simple. You just do that and turn on switch. Yeah, look at this. We have light. It's actually a pretty cool light, very small, and there is tail light. So you have headlight and tail light. Pretty cool. Let's disconnect it, shut it off. You get with it pretty small battery. It's a 900. They're giving you a 900 battery on it. It's a nickel metal hydride, of course, 7.2 volt. You can put here easily a LiPo battery, even a little bit bigger, because there is place for it. There is very nice center differential here. The entire gear case is really cool. And you can see all the linkage here look kind of solid. It's adjustable linkage. So when you move it, pay attention over here. When you move, it's actually going in and out. So it's adjustable. It's really cool. I like it. The vehicle it's have good weight for it. It's not super light, so it's going to have good gripping. You can see on the tire when you push it down. It's really cool. Those vehicles are pretty cheap. We have them at MotoStyles shop right now for $179. And it's a 1/12 scale, and you will say, oh, 1/12 is pretty small, but it's not. This is, I would say, about like an inch smaller than a 1/10 scale. And then you can actually move the bumpers here to make it longer. Front and rear, those are adjustable, and you have all the accessory holes if you want to put something else on it. So it's pretty cool. Now let's look what else they give you in the box. Let's move the pins because I always lose those. When you open the box, you're gonna get inside a couple other items. So this is the remote. It's a very basic remote. We need to open it. Where's my trusty blade? Okay, so this is a regular ECX remote, 4 AA batteries that they actually providing in the kit. Just forward, brake, and then reverse, regular steering. And when you open here, you have all the steering trim, adjustment, dual rate, reverse, everything else that you need usually on an RC. Very simple remote. Too bad that this did not come with a Spectrum. A Spectrum will be much nicer for this kit. In addition, there is something important especially for you newbies over there. They give you here the charger. I just don't want to open it. It's brand new, and they give you also like the set of batteries. There is a set of batteries that I would put it on your TV remote and just put a good battery in your remote, like Duracell, Energizer, or whatever you want. Not rechargeable, 1.5 volts, so it's gonna last longer. Now, this book that they give in, let's talk about those books for a second. No matter what car you buy, where you buy it, okay? Hobby grade, not the junk on eBay or on Amazon. Keep this book, and when you call a store and request for parts, make sure that you tell them, okay, I have, for example, a Barrage Gen2 and 4-wheel drive, and I'm looking for parts, and open the book and look for part 0200, for example, and give them this parts. It will be easier to show you what you want actually. For example, let's look here. Let's assume that you broke the steering knuckle right there. So when you tell me over the phone or anybody else, oh, I broke my round thing that's holding the wheel, we don't have a clue what it is. So just a quick lesson. Learn all the parts, steering knuckle, steering arm, control arms, and call us and say, okay, this part in the book, it's part 0200. Do you have it in stock? Then we'll tell you, yes. We don't have it, we can order it, and it's much easier for everybody and saving time for you and for us. This was the quick kind of review. I really wanted to do that because we haven't done it on this vehicle. This is the Barrage Gen2 from ECX, electric crawler, 1/12 scale. I have to tell you, everybody that picked one of those at the shop absolutely loved them. It's kind of selling, I think, better than any of the other crawler, especially right now for people staying at home. They can play in the garden, they can play at home. If you get one of those, you just go home, you put together a bunch of junk around the house, your laundry, bunch of books, and just climb over, and it's really cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also subscribe to our other channel, RC Monster Garage. It's my professional channel. I give a lot of stuff for free over there. Cars, motorcycle gears, whatever companies let me use and give it away, I do. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video, and write in the comments if you like it. A lot of people don't like it. Right, if you don't like it. There is one guy, specific guy, that I will address him right now, that keep give me down for all my videos just because he don't like it. We caught him copying our videos. So yeah, don't forget to give me down today. You press it right away as soon as the video go up. I think you're out of your mind, but we will address you just so I know you're at home going crazy. See you on my next video. This is Red Jet 505. Bye.